Hello, my name is Séverine Vermeijeren. I'm a clinician, gastroenterologist and IBD specialist from the University Hospital and University of Leuven in Belgium.
Hello, I'm Gianluca Matteoli. I'm basic scientist working in mucosal immunology at the University of Leuven.
And together we are the two principal investigators of the European FIBROTARGET project. FIBROTARGET was a European Union funded project that started in April 2023, and it is a 5-year project. The project deals with inflammatory bowel diseases. This is a gut disorder that leads to chronic inflammation. The two main diseases are Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. And these are typically diseases of young people. We know that more than 3 million people live with inflammatory bowel disease in Europe, and the disease is associated with a more than 5.6 billion euros healthcare expenditure cost. The problem is that in many patients with chronic inflammatory bowel disease, fibrosis occurs because of uncontrolled chronic inflammation. And so the FIBROTARGET project, which is led by the University of Leuven, but also in collaboration with 7 other public and industry partners, wants to improve the prevention, the diagnosis, and the treatment of intestinal fibrosis and fibrostenosis. Gianluca, can you please explain how we want to accomplish these goals?
So the FIBROTARGET project stemmed out of previous research from our center and the other center in Europe that have discovered that fibroblasts and myeloid cells are cross-talking in inflammatory bowel disease. And this is leading to chronic activation of an inflammatory cascade that with the time in the patient leads to tissue remodeling and at the later stage with fibrosis and the need of surgery. So overall, FIBROTARGET will accomplish the discovery and validation of biomarker for early detection of fibrosis, so we can stratify patients and reduce the irreversible tissue damage, and we did the surgery. We will hopefully develop and testing cutting-edge technique for better diagnosis and prognosis of intestinal fibrosis, and hopefully we will implement a first-in-human proof of concept trial using immunotherapeutic drugs that will finally prevent or treat fibrosis in IBD patient.
And indeed, we need to do so because at the moment, there are no treatments for fibrosis in inflammatory bowel disease available. We are not doing this alone. The key researchers that are part of FIBROTARGET are Professor Markus Neurath and Raja Atreya from Erlangen University in Germany, Professor Armuzzi from Humanitas Hospital in Milan, Professor Maria Rescigno, also from Humanitas in Milan, Professor Jordi Rimola from the Hospital Clinic of Barcelona in Spain, and Professor Azucena Salas from the Hospital Clinic of Barcelona. We also have the European Patient Organization, EFCA, on board in our project, as well as the biotech company Amindas, based in Athens, Greece, and Motilent, which is based in United Kingdom and is experienced in medical imaging and in GI data. So altogether, we really hope that with this project, we will become successful in the treatment goals and in the diagnostic and goals that Gianluca just described to you. Gianluca, perhaps finally, do we believe that this project can also lead to insights for researchers working outside of the field of IBD?
So overall, we have seen now, together with many other studies, that activation of fibroblasts is taking place in many chronic inflammatory disorders that are in the liver, lung, in rheumatoid arthritis, in the joint, in many other organs. So we think that the findings that we are gonna define and the target that we are gonna define in FIBROTARGET in the gut will be probably applicable to other diseases. So we are very welcoming collaboration from other European projects, and we are very open to discuss with other partners. So if you want to know more, you can just go to www.fibrotarget.eu and you can get in touch, and we can hopefully start a new collaboration.
Thank you very much.
Bye.